Right now at Spotify Camp Nou, the transformation is accelerating in a way that's becoming impossible to ignore. Entire sections of the stadium are shifting from raw structural work into fully prepared build zones, and one of the biggest milestones we've seen recently has just been reached. The lead diamond on the lateral now has complete rebar coverage across every single visible floor panel. There are no exposed sections left anywhere you look, and that can only mean one thing. This structure is rapidly approaching its next concrete pour phase. Before getting deeper into the update, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming progress, because at this stage of the rebuild, changes are happening fast and consistently across multiple zones. Starting at the lateral, the lead diamond is now fully wrapped in a dense grid of rebar across its upper surfaces. This isn't just a visual milestone, it's a structural one. Every bar placed here contributes to the strength and load distribution of the future slab, ensuring that once concrete is poured, the structure will be able to handle immense stress over time. With this phase now complete, crews are focusing on final checks, alignments, and preparation work ahead of what looks like an imminent pour. The activity level here is intense. Teams are spread across multiple sections of the upper levels, working simultaneously despite the heavy heat conditions. There's a clear sense of urgency, but everything remains controlled and precise. Just beside it, the middle diamond is continuing to close the gap. Not long ago, it was clearly trailing behind, but the pace of work here has been strong enough that the difference is shrinking week by week. One side now features vertically installed floor panels, giving a clear indication of upward progress, while the opposite side is being filled in with shoring beams that will support the next stages of construction. This balance between vertical expansion and structural reinforcement is key, and it shows that this diamond is entering a more advanced phase faster than expected. Meanwhile, the smallest diamond is showing some of its most noticeable activity in recent days. After a quieter period, work here has picked up significantly. Crews are carrying out chipping operations to refine existing concrete surfaces, while rebar placement is underway around pillar armatures. This is foundational work, but it's essential for enabling the next structural layers to be built efficiently. Nearby, anchor bolt installation continues in the lower sections, with teams carefully fitting missing bolts and measuring spacing using guide rails. This level of precision is critical, especially with louver installation expected in this area in the near future. Sandwich panel installation is also expanding across the lateral. On one of the diamond structures, the left side of the upper section is now being filled using a suction lifter system, bringing it closer to matching the right side that was already completed earlier. As more of these panels go into place, the stadium begins to visually transition away from raw construction and toward a more finished architectural form. Moving over to North Goal, one of the most significant updates of the day comes into view. A new phalange box has been installed, and while it's smaller than some of the previously placed sections, it fits perfectly into its designated position between an existing ring segment and the location of an upcoming pillar. That pillar is already in preparation, with falsework installed just yesterday and now clearly visible. This confirms that the next structural lift is already being staged, and everything here is aligning for another major step forward. Adding to that momentum, a truck arrived at the North Goal carrying what appears to be louver components. This lines up with the ongoing work in the area, where multiple elevated platforms have been active throughout the day. Crews have been focusing on anchor bolt checks, tightening connections, and ensuring precise alignment. These are the final preparations before installation begins, and once the louvers are in place, this section will undergo a rapid visual transformation. The diamond wall visible from North Goal is also progressing steadily. Rebar work continues across its upper sections, and crews maintain a consistent presence here, pushing forward without interruption. It's a clear example of sustained progress, where daily effort builds into long-term advancement. At South Goal, the focus is on setting up the next phase. New falsework has been installed since yesterday, marking the exact position where the next pillar will be placed. This is a crucial step because before another phalange box can be added, the pillar and its radial beam must be installed first. Several box sections of different sizes are already staged on the ground nearby, ready for placement once the structure above is prepared. This means that once the pillar is lifted into position, progress here could accelerate quickly. At the same time, finishing work continues across this section. Louver bracket supports and nearby steel elements are being coated with anti-corrosion paint, ensuring long-term durability of the structure. A few anchor bolts still need to be installed, but overall, the area is clearly approaching readiness for the next major installation phase. Over at Tribuna, one of the most exciting developments is the presence of a fully prepared pillar, now staged and ready for lifting. What makes this stand out is that the yellow connector plates are already attached, meaning the component is essentially ready to be installed as soon as the crane operation begins. That moment is getting closer, and it will mark an important transition in construction activity from North Goal to Tribuna. Inside the Tribuna interior, progress continues at a steady pace. Sandwich panel installation is ongoing, with crews handling each panel individually to ensure perfect alignment with the structure. Precision is critical here, and the work reflects that. At this stage, only one visible gap remains in the upper section of a mobility core, and once that is filled, this part of the structure will be nearly complete. Taking everything into account, today's biggest highlights are clear. The lateral's lead diamond reaching full rebar coverage marks a major structural milestone and signals that concrete pouring is likely coming soon. North Goal is preparing for louver installation, with all supporting work pointing toward an imminent push. South Goal has positioned its next pillar through new falsework installation, setting up the next expansion phase, while Tribuna stands ready for its first ring pillar lift, a key moment in the overall progression of the stadium. This project is moving forward at an impressive pace, with multiple sections advancing simultaneously and each phase building on the last. Every day brings visible change, and the scale of transformation continues to grow. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more ongoing coverage of the Camp Nou rebuild. There is still a lot more to come, and the most exciting phases are still ahead. Thank you for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça!